Hi, it's Darby with Darbini Sews, and today we're going to be making no flap, no sew nylon bows. I love these, they fit so great, and my daughter will be able to wear them as long as possible because the nylon strap grows with her. So I've already cut the piece that we're going to be tying today. Make sure it's stretchy the long ways. This one is about 6 by 15, so we're only going to be making a 4-inch bow today. Generally, you want it to be about 3.5 times longer than the bow that you want to make. So we're going to flip him over and fold him up. This fabric is a little curly. So that's about 4.5 inches. We're only trying to make about a 4-inch, so I'm going to go back a bit. There we go. Now you're going to fold him in half. Or back over. Try to line up that line that you just made. And then you're going to take your ends and you're going to scrunch, 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 scrunch. I like to fluff just a little bit. Flip him over, pull this piece back. Now you're going to grab your nylon. And you can do black or tan. The nylon that I have, this piece is actually cut off of a piece of tights. This I bought in a pack off Amazon. I just had to type in nylon baby headband blanks. So you're gonna wrap him around and pull him through as best as you can. Sometimes I have to struggle with these. Just a little bit. Go back to your front. Try to recenter it before you tighten him down. I like to take a moment to fluff it as best I can. Make sure it's pulled all the way through. I have a corner that's still not all the way out. Keep on fluffing. This is the time that you want to make sure that you have your pattern on the outside of your knot. You're going to grab your end and pull it tight as best as you can. Oh goodness. Once again, we're going to have to go through and fluff, fluff, fluff until we get it the way that you want it. I like to take the extra end because there's always going to be just a little bit of a flap, and just cut him off. I like to leave just a little bit just in case it comes untied. You have a little bit of extra room to grab. Try to smooth him out. There's a pin who wants to be stuck to me. Really tight, fluff him up. If you like my video, leave a like, a comment, or subscribe to my channel. I'm going to continue to try to post videos like this maybe once a week, see how it goes. I'm also on Etsy under Darbinis, where I'm selling these matched with my baby bunnies. And I'm also on Instagram under Darbinis, on Facebook under Darbinis, and you can also find me on TikTok to watch our daily outfits.